All right, we're gonna go over how to train the motion for step over step stair ascent. To activate this mode, it's 2 different motions that we're gonna string together in a consecutive movement to enter step over step stair ascent. The first thing that we're gonna look for is hip extension. A helpful cue for this is sliding a piece of paper under your shoe backwards or scraping gum off the sole of your shoe. Go ahead and slide backwards. From there, we're gonna move into hip flexion, kind of like you're doing a hip hike or a high knee. Go ahead and go into some hip flexion for me. And then what we're gonna do to enter step over step stair ascent is those 2 motions together, sort of like a donkey kick or a backwards bicycle kick. Perfect. And with Kneuro knee, you can see where the knee caught for just a second in that flexed position. That's our indication that we've successfully entered step over step stair ascent, and the knee is looking for the foot to be placed on the ascending stair. Once it does that, it will prevent further flexion, and then the patient can fire with the glutes to ascend over the knee onto the next stair.